Here's what you need to know if you want to use edge panels or the sidebar on Samsung Galaxy A36 5G. So first of all, we can make sure that it is enabled. Usually the sidebar or the handle of the sidebar or edge panels is barely visible. You can also customize it as well to make it a little bit more visible. So first let's go to settings, open display settings, and then scroll down a little bit to find edge panels. Here we can easily turn it on or off. You can also tap over here in order to find customization options. So if you go to handle, you can make it more visible if you have issues with noticing it. Besides that, we can go to panels, and instead of apps, we can also use people. You can use both actually, or just one of them. You also have tasks, weather, tools, clipboard, and reminder. We're gonna stick with apps in this case. Over here we can press edit in order to customize apps that we have in edge panels. So you can simply tap on the option in order to add it to the list, and as you can see, if you keep adding, then the sidebar will be using 2 apps in one row, and then it is also scrollable. If you want to remove an app, then tap on it on the list of apps that are already added. And you may have noticed that there is no AI select because I have it actually disabled. So here you can tap on these 3 dots in the top right corner in order to, for example, show or hide the AI select option. We can also enable recent apps so that we can see apps that we have used recently. We can also enable and disable app names if you don't need names for these apps. And we also have the option how to show the sidebar, so we can, or actually how to open it in the split view, because we can touch and hold, and then we can drag the app to the part of the screen where you want it to open it, or you can enable tap. And that is essentially it in terms of the customization. If you want to show the sidebar, then you need to simply swipe it towards the middle of the screen. So for example, like this. From here you also have settings, so you can tap on the gear in order to customize it as well. We have this pen icon in order to edit apps that we have over here, and we have these dots in order to open the full list of apps. So with the sidebar, you don't have to go to the app drawer or app screens in order to find the list of all apps. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!